Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with the Alfawise U50. Today I got a problem. I'm hoping you guys can help me. So let's get cracking. Alrighty, friends. So I've had nothing but success with my Alfawise U50, and I turned it on the other day, and it says Font Update Failed. I cannot figure out what happened. SD card didn't have anything on it. I've never tried to update. I have never tried to update the firmware. It just all of a sudden turned on and it's stuck like that. And now I don't know how to fix it. And to top it all off, when I go to look for Alfawise support, I can't find anywhere to get it. So if anyone out there has a way to get into contact with Alfawise, that may help me. If you've got an idea what that font update failed means or a way that we can fix it, I sure would like to hear from you. Alrighty, friends, so if you enjoyed the video, give it a like. But if you've got a question or better yet, a comment, add it down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.